Thumbs Up is a brand of cola, and its logo is a red thumbs up. It was introduced in 1977 to offset the withdrawal of the Coca-Cola company from India. The brand was later bought by Coca-Cola, who relaunched it in order to compete against Pepsi. But the question is that, why is there no B in the word thumbs up? To understand the reason behind it, first of all we should know about the word thumbs up. It's considered a curse in some African countries, and is clearly an offensive gesture in many other parts of the world. The thumbs up gesture is commonly used in many cultures to signify a job well done. And also it is considered a very rude thing to do in China, Japan, Indonesia, Latin America, and many other countries. Most people assume that the modern-day thumbs-up signal originated from this Roman affirmative meaning. Not so. In many parts of southern Italy and Greece, the thumbs-up gesture is a sexual insult rather than a sign of approval. This was the decision of all the members of the Thumbs Up company. Because thumbs up means, up yours, and the company did not want it to be insulting to our customers. So they decided to remove B, and the advertising agency also supported them. And the company changed it to thumbs up instead of thumbs up.
So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.